Okay, so whenever we are returning the material, okay, system, we need to specify some reasons, right? We are when you're doing the return delivery, okay, what reason we are returning to vendor? We need to have a document, proof should be there in the material document. So to have that proof, right, we need to customize the reasons in the backend. Okay, this is the customizing setting, okay, wherein we have to specify for each movement type. Okay, this is based on the movement type. Okay, for each movement type, what reasons we can give. Okay, whether this particular field, this reasons for movement, also we can control, okay, whether it has to display, or it has to uh, mandatory field, or it is a display field, or it is has to hide during this particular moment type. Okay, so like that, generally we can control using moment type. Okay, you can see for any of the moment type, for the any of the field, okay, if I select minus, means it is suppressed, means in this case the field itself will not visible in the Migo screen. Okay, if I enter not one, that time it won't ask for any reason. Okay, that field itself is not available, it is suppressed. But in case of dot, if I select dot for any of the movement type, okay, that means this field is optional, means it is not mandatory, but this field is available during Migo screen. But if I enter or do not enter, system won't check that. Okay, even if I enter, it will take. If I don't enter any data, system won't give any errors or issues. But in case, consider 122. 122 is a return delivery, right? For this moment type, we need a reason, right? So in this case, it is plus. Plus means it is mandatory. Means this field is required. It is a required field. Okay. So like this, we can each moment type, which moment type we require the reason for moment, we need to control here. Okay. Based on this, also after we specify for the specific moment type, we can specify the reasons also here. See, in 122 it is a required field, so we are entering three reasons. Okay, one reason is poor quality. Again, for the same moment type, we are entering incomplete, means that material is as per the specification, it is not complete. Okay, or it is damaged. Like that, we can give several reasons. Okay, these two are the customization. Okay, this we can see once the system is available. Okay, this is related to customizing for the, this is one of the customizing setting. Okay, so for 122 we already saw, right? If you select 122, okay, it is asking for this field is required, because in the configuration we have selected like that. Okay, for 122 it has to has 101, the field is not at all required, it even not show the field. Okay, 101. So similarly this configuration, okay, I will show you, that will be part of moment type only. Okay, so here go to SPRO. Okay, so we have to go to this one, inventory management, physical inventory. Okay, types. So here also it will be there. Let me check. Goods receipt. Settings for goods movement. Yeah. So record reason for goods movement. See here. So first one is control. Control means whether it is a required field or optional, or it is suppressed. It means it is not at all. See here. You can see select this. Okay. As per this, system is behaving. So this is also controlled based on the movement type. Okay. If I select blank, means entry field is optional. Okay. If I select minus, means it is suppressed. Okay. If I go to one or two movement type, you will not see this particular this one. Okay, field which is there. Okay, like that. So 122 it is required field. Okay. So then whatever the reason which is required, okay, the vendor, the client can add here. Okay, which moment type, what is the reason? Okay, so like that we can add. This is the moment type. So if I go to 122 moment type, okay, if I select 122, okay, if there are 10 reasons are selected, right, or 10 reasons will, whatever we create here, that will show in the moment types. Here only 3 reasons are there. So when I select the F4 button, right, that time I can only see 3 options, okay, to select as a reason. Similarly, how many options we create here, that many options will show there. Okay, this is
I mean,
one
in that
thing.
first one, control reason. Uh,
Yeah.
in the control reason, actually, plus and minus is there, right? So, sorry, I didn't get why we have to put the and minus.
No, no, this particular field is right.
Yeah.
Whether it has to show that field, the reason for moment. This
Oh,
reason for moment field,
yeah.
only
Oh,
for this specific field, we are saying whether it has to show during
so,
101,
yeah,
102 moment type or 103 moment type, whether it
yeah,
has
yeah.
to show, it has
Yeah.
to hide or it has to mandatory.
Okay, got it.
Only for this field. Okay.
So this one, oh, okay, that one we were searching before. Actually, here it's
If I
hide
go
and
there,
I think.
yeah, sure. Yeah, I think this one only, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Go this one. Select this one also. If I go to Migo, yeah, that will be there. Okay, this one. So here we open this document 122. So this one, reason for movement, this field,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
right? For this field only, we are controlling that whether it
Controlling
is,
that. Okay. Because of
yeah,
the mention.
required or optional. Yeah, only for that particular field.